I have just about 3 minutes here before my next meeting. And I just wanted to give you a couple things that are coming up that are extremely exciting for me, extremely exciting for our internal team. First of all, this Thursday, you might have seen it already. We're going to have a 3 to 5x your overall income by using midterm rentals. And a lot of you have started to already kind of inch towards this, and you're kind of thinking like nursing, or you're thinking about like, corporate housing. That's not what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about long term. We're talking 3, 6, 12 months of sometimes even 20 to 30% more income on a full month's rent than what you usually would make on a short term rental. And we're bringing in Ruben Kanya. He was actually on, hey, what's up, brother from another mother? We had a Ruben Kanya on our show, and as soon as Ruben got off the show, I just called him up and said, we need to have like a private teaching of what you're doing. And he said, no problem. I've done these before. I can do a webinar. I can bring in all my tricks and trades and secrets and all that. And so that's going to be Thursday night at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard, 7 p.m. Eastern. I've already dropped that in both groups, but I will go ahead and throw that on the comments here after we've gone live with this, or after the recording gets posted. This, so that's the first thing. If you are like, I'm seeing the dip in vacancy, in occupancy, I'm seeing the dip in revenue, and I want a more predictable way to do this business, you are going to want to be on that webinar Thursday at 4 Pacific, 7 Eastern. The next thing is that on a personal level, I'm extremely excited because we're live here in the Six Figure Formula. Next week, you guys are going to hear an amazingly big announcement for the Fearless Investor brand. But for those of you that are in short-term rental masterminds, the Facebook group, and also in the public, you're going to, in the beginning of January, hear this same announcement just a little bit later, because this is feeding into what all of you have been asking for. You want to own more properties. You want to build your net worth. You want to stop saying, okay, this is, arbitrage and co-hosting is great, but it's becoming less predictable. And I want to be able to know that I'm earning money in other ways than just cash flow. I want to earn in equity. I want to earn in debt pay down. I want to earn in tax advantages. And I can tell you personally, you're right. Like, I've always been a believer that grow your cash flow and then worry about your net worth. But now you can do both. And we're going to show you how you can do that through bringing in new resources, new people, new really strategies and tips that are going to help you blow up your personal net worth, not just your business, your personal net worth. And that's what I'm really excited about. So if you're in the Six Figure Formula, if you're not, go over to fearlesskyle.com/6FF and you can see all the details of what we're doing in there. But if you're in that community, then please be on the lookout next week as we go live with this big announcement. If you are in STR Masterminds, please be on the lookout in January as we drop that brand new podcast episode and announcement that is going to share everything about what we've got going on. I can't tell you how excited I am about this because it has been about 6 months in the making in the background. And so for that reason, we're ready to blow this thing up for all of you. So thank you so much. I just wanted to drop this little note here. Have a Merry Christmas if we don't see you before that. If there's anything I can ever do, please post about it in the group or DM me. Happy to help out. Thank you. Have a great, great holiday. We'll see you in the new year.